Hello friends, welcome to Apni Extra Class. Today's story is Riya's cooking surprise. Riya was a teenager who loved watching cooking videos. One day, her parents had to attend an event and she decided to surprise them by cooking dinner. She looked up a simple recipe, wore an apron, and started preparing pasta. At first, she made a few mistakes, added too much salt, and spilled some sauce. But instead of giving up, she stayed calm, corrected her errors, and completed the dish with love. When her parents returned, they were shocked and happy. They tasted the pasta and smiled. "It's delicious," they said. Riya felt proud. That small effort made her more confident, and she started cooking every weekend. Moral of the story: trying something new can be scary, but if you don't give up, it turns into something wonderful. Today we learned 10 vocabulary words. Teenager, a person between 13 and 19 years old. Surprise, something unexpected that makes someone happy. Recipe, instructions for making food. Apron, a cloth worn while cooking to stay clean, prepared to get something ready. Mistake, something done wrong, calm, relaxed, and not stressed. Corrected, fixed or made right, delicious, very tasty. Confident, sure about yourself. If you like this story, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and keep learning with Apni Extra Class.